Okay, Tiras, we're moving on to our new sound introduction. And what we have here are open prefixes. Now, the word pre means before. So, are these prefixes going to go before our base word or after our base word?
Before.
They're going to go before our base word. And prefixes, their purpose is to change the meaning of a base word. So we have our prefix pro, which means forward or before. Then we have our base word D, meaning away or from. Then we have pre, meaning before, be, become, and re, to go back or to repeat something again. So again, these are our open prefixes. And let's go ahead with our activity. Could you repeat after me? Pro,
Pro.
pre,
Pre.
be,
P.
re,
Re.
D.
D.
So let's go ahead with our activity. What I'm going to do, I am going to put some prefix and some base words that are attached. And we are going to pronounce, see if we can match and pronounce each one of our words. And the prefix is going to be in front of the word or in back of the word.
Front.
In the front, because pre means before. So let's go ahead and start our activity or our matching game here. And let's see who is going to win with the matching. I know we both will do great. Okay, so let me flip, and we gotta put it back in the space so that we can remember where the word came from. Propose and behave. Doesn't match. Flip back over. Let's try to move quickly, swiftly.
Prevent.
Prevent and behave. Turn back over. No match. Replant. Replay. Close but no match. Behave. Can you come up with a, that's yours. Take that. You're in the lead so far. Can you come up with a sentence utilizing the word behave?
My teacher told my classmates to behave.
The teacher told the classmates to behave. Good job. All right, moving on. Let's see if I can find a match. You done found a match. Propose. Can you come up with a sentence utilizing the word propose?
A man proposed to his wife.
A man proposed to his wife. So I guess he would propose to his fiance because he's proposing to make his fiance his wife. Very good. Your turn.
Replay.
Good. You found a match. Take your words. 2-1. Can you come up with a sentence utilizing the word replay?
My mom replayed the movie.
My mom will replay the movie. Very good. All right, moving on. Let's see if I can find a match here. Prevent. I saw you with that word prevent earlier. Prevent. Let's see if I can come up with a sentence utilizing the word prevent. The police officers try to prevent crime. That would be one. All right, your turn. What we got? 2-2. We have a tie.
Mm, oh.
What is that word?
Replant.
Replant?
Sorry.
Hmm?
Oh, I got it.
Replant and replant. Please come up with a sentence utilizing replant.
What does that mean again?
Replant. To do again. Re means to do again, to repeat.
Can you please repeat this word for me?
Replant.
Can you replant? That mean repeat?
No. I'm sorry. I thought repeat. This word is not repeat. It's replant.
I know.
So, could you come up with a sentence utilizing replant?
I asked you, can you put it into a sentence? So
You want me to put it into a sentence? Okay. I may have to replant my blank in the garden.
I have to help my mother replant her flowers.
I have to help Mom replant her flowers. Very good. That's yours. Okay, go ahead. May as well. 1, 2, 3. I got 2. Okay. So that you can win. What do we have?
I need to reprint.
Oh, what's the word first?
Reprint.
Reprint. Now, can you come up with a sentence utilizing reprint since you done beat me? Reprint.
I have to reprint my labels.
I have to reprint my labels. Good job on your new sound introduction. Very good. So again, let's go ahead and review our open prefixes. And before I move on, why are these, what makes these prefix open?
Because they don't have another word blocking them.
Consonant after them. And the vowel is what? Saying what?
Oh.
Yeah, the vowel is saying its own what?
Word.
Its own
letter.
Its own letter, its own name. Good. So let's do our review.
Pro. Pre. Be. Re. D.
Can you come up with a word, another word that you may know utilizing any of these prefixes? Just come up with a word. I know I can think of preview, professional. Can you think of a word utilizing?
Review.
Review.
Detective.
Detective. Well, detective. Okay. Because. Good. How about one more?
Pre-K.
Pre-K. Before what? Before kindergarten, pre-K. Okay, very good. Let's hold it here.